one, so this is called the Uhadi or calabash bow, and it just blew my mind. So the Ohadi was invented by the Xhosa people of South Africa, and it belongs to the chordophone family of instruments because of this string or cord or wire that vibrates when you strike it with a grass stick. So the wire produces two fundamental notes that are a tone apart, the open fundamental and the closed fundamental. So the instrument still creates more than two notes, and I'll explain in a moment how that's possible. So bowed instruments come from the Khoisan hunting bow, and it is said that when someone was hunting, when they released the string like that, it created a sound that was pleasing to them, and then I think that's how they got the idea to turn the hunting bow into a musical instrument. So there are many types of bowed instruments, but the Ohadi is called the calabash bow because it's got a calabash. It came from the pumpkin family, so they emptied the insides and then dried the shell, and then the size of the calabash and also the sound hole was made to be comfortable when being placed on top of a woman's breast. So women were the most people were playing the Ohadi. And it's this calabash that acts as a resonator or amplifier to amplify the sound that's produced by the string. And the resonator is also responsible for creating overtones that cause the instrument to make more notes than just those two fundamentals. Okay, so I'm going to remove the calabash for a moment so that you can listen to two of the different sounds, the sound of the string struck alone and also the sound of the calabash. So this is how it sounds with the calabash off. And this is how it sounds with the calabash on. And I want you to pay attention to those overtones or the extra notes that are created by the calabash. So overtones are just the extra notes that are produced by a string when it's struck. For example, if you pluck on a string, it goes left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right very quickly, right? And that left, right movement is what the string is fundamentally doing, which is why it's called the fundamental. But while it goes left, right like that, it's also doing other funny movements while it does that. And it's those other funny movements that create the overtones. And the overtones are amplified by the calabash, and you can manipulate them by bringing the sound hole closer and away from you like this. So before we get into some music, let's just quickly look at the Xhosa names of the different parts of the Uhadi. So when playing the Ohadi, you hold the bow using 3 fingers like this, so that you are left with 2 fingers remaining, and those are the ones that open and close, and they stop the string so that it makes two different fundamental notes. So that's how you hold it, and then you move it closer and away from you so that you get different, so that you manipulate the overtones created by the calabash. You can use different ways. Other people even use this type of motion here. Okay, so let's go to the music now, and I don't know any Xhosa words, so I'm just gonna sing about the different parts of the Ohadi. Here we go. on the next Uhadi episode, we'll take a look at the theory side of the music of the Ohadi, and I'll explain why the theory is like that. And for you to not miss that, as always, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Boom!